Hey mga friendships, good morning and welcome in today's vlog. Today is April 18. Yeah, it's already April 18 and yeah, it's a very rainy day today, guys. All day long sa weather forecast it's going to be rainy. So me and Rookie was planning to go out again to get mask, pero may mask pa naman kami. And then since it's raining really hard this morning since last night also, so mahirap mag line for mask, so hindi na lang kami pumunta to get mask. And yeah, not today, maybe bukas, I don't know, but yeah, I don't know yet. But how are you all? How is everybody? How are you going on? How are you coping up with this situation that we are having right now? Oh my God. It's been a stressful weeks of having the coronavirus. And as well as dito sa Japan, it's kind of stressful in a sense because we are not in quarantine. We still go out still, but I'm not gonna talk about that now. I'm gonna talk later. So I'm just checking you early this morning, and hinihintay ko lang si Rookie kasi naliligo pa siya because we are going to get some ingredients kasi gusto ko pa rin kumain ng binignet. The last time kasi konti lang yung ginawa kong binignet, tapos bumili ako ng saging uli. So I'm gonna make binignet today again because I'm really nakulangan ako the last time. So I'm just checking you all. I hope you had a good start this morning, and yeah, see you in a bit. So did you notice any difference? So I just put some lashes on because I just feel like putting lashes kasi I look so dead. So look how big of a difference is having lashes, guys. As I get older, my lashes have all gone disappeared. Boom. So yeah, I don't have. And may nakita akong maraming mga lash products para tumubo daw, but I'm not into it anymore. Unlike before, I'm so crazy about that. But also with the eyebrows, but no, don't have time for that anymore. So I'm just gonna put on some lashes. Mabilis lang, diba? Pretty. This is my favorite lashes from, I got this one from Shimamura, their Disney collection. But hindi ko na-check recently kung meron pa ba nito. But this is my all-time favorite. I bought this one 4 years. No, 2016. Yeah, 4 years ago. And still, kasi marami akong binili na ganito. And hindi ko pa sila lahat naggamit. Then this is the last pair. I don't know if kung meron ba nito. But, yeah. Hindi ko nga na-check. Ma-check ko nga. Today, Saturday, this is yung neighbor namin na pachinko slot. Pero, nagtaka si Rookie kasi pagtingin niya dito sa aming bintana, sabi niya, oh, bakit walang mga cars naka-parking? And it's Saturday. Yasumi ba? Or Yasumi is, wala bang open yung, close ba yung pachinko? I don't know, maybe. Yeah, maybe, of course, close kasi wala. Oh, tapos may sanay din doon. I cannot zoom in. Sorry. Yeah. Ganito. Saturday, Yasmi. I don't know if this is related with the situation right now. This situation. But siguro, I don't know. I'm not sure. Yeah. But I'm just sharing to you. Sarado yung pachinko. Diba? So, we're out now. The rain is gone. We are here at Valor. Yan ka. Valor. Bibili kami ng ingredients for our mask. We're not buying mask. There's no more mask available, bro. So, yeah. Bibili kami ng ingredients for our binignet kasi we are not yet over with our binignet. So, yeah. See you later. Come on. Yeah, the bell pepper. Uy, luya. But we're not gonna hindi. We need to go there sa puan sa pants. Bukani okay lami.
Let's go.
So I was looking for tapioca, and then I know that there you have this one, but this one you need to cook. And then I was so happy because right beside this one is, I was shocked because I saw this. Chiding! It's already made. Yeah, I'm so happy kasi niisip ko na gagawin ko pa to. Gagawin ko pa siya, and then I saw this. Oh, diba, bongga? This is only 98 and I don't need. Sabi ni Rokita, binabasa, he's really trying hard to read this one. Sabi niya, ha? Ta? Anong ta? Tapos, ha? Tapioca!
But that's not true.
Ha? Diba?
That's not true.
It's true.
No.
I do an
You're
interview.
just making it up.
Ayan, 98 lang. So, dalawa na. So, I'm just going to return this one. See this, guys? Can you see this? Coca-Cola frozen. My friends, so, stop by muna kami dito sa Shimamura. Pero, tingnan nyo sa aking likod. 1, 2, 3, 4 lang na cars yung nandito, no? Walang tao, di ba? Where are the people gone?
Let's go, let's go.
Siguro nag-quarantine na sila sa self nila. Yung talaga ngayon, at this moment in time, yung, kailangan lang, doon si Rookie sa B-Drug, titingin siya ng mask. Wala nang bumibili ng damit kasi we don't need that. At this time, kailangan natin ng pagkain. So, I'm gonna go inside Shimamura na ang daming sale. Hi friends! We are home and I need to drain my labada. Yeah. Kasi nilagyan ko siya nito. Yung downy. Nanako. Ako kuha ng sabon man. The sabon is here, and then I wanted to try this one from yung Ariel, yung pads nila. You know, ito yung pads. Kasi this is only 398. And then may na siya. Oo. 18 pads. 18 pods. Not pads. Pods. 18 pods. So, like isang pod, ayun sa 6 kilo na labahin. So, yung washing machine namin is only 5 kilos lang naman. So, 65 liters. So, isa. So, 18. This would run us mga 18 times na labada. No? I'm gonna look at it kung mas makakatipid pa kami nito compare doon sa yung liquid na talaga. So, yeah. Ariel! So, sabi ko kay Rocky na wala akong bibilhin. Titingin lang si Shimamura. But, guess what? Cheating! May nabili ako. Thanks, sweet. Thanks, sweet.
Yeah, penalty.
Penalty? What's a penalty? I kiss you. Ay, like a lulu.
Yeah.
Yay! I'm happy. Pero hindi masyadong mahal naman to eh. I bet. Tapos, yeah, kakain muna kami. It's already 6. Na to? Ano tawag na? Pag brunch is breakfast and lunch. This is lunch and dinner. Anong tawag niyan? Lunar. Lunar.
Brandy.
Lunar. Hinintay ko pa ang aking milk because I will be drinking milk tea, guys. So, what I do, I think napakita ko na sa last video ko. I just heat up fresh milk and then lalagyan ko siya ng tea bag, dalawang ganito. Just like yung anong tawag niyan, nung shinare ko na milk tea nung nandoon kami sa Pilipinas kasi 'di ba sa Sashi gusto niya uminom ng milk tea sa Macau Imperial, tapos sabi ko sa kanya, yun, it's the same concept pero walang tapioca. Although meron akong tapioca, but ilalagay ko yun sa aking binignit, sayang. So yeah, I'm just waiting, and then medyo malapit na siya mag-heat. Yung foodie nakin. Nako! Nako, mix yung Bisaya at Tagalog. Ito pala yung foodie ko. Favorite ko to, yung parang ganyan, no? Ano ito, gani, gyudong? Ano ito, gani, donbori? Ano ito, gani? Donbori. Ito is pork. Usually beef, but wala na iba. So, mura na lang. Naka-sale siya, 50% waribiki, or meaning discount. Tapos yung salad din, kasi ano na kami, diba? Late na kami nagpunta doon, mga 4. So, 40% off na din yung salad. And then, gyoza. Masarap na gyoza. So, kay Ruki, ang sarap ng sa kanya tingnan. No? Off din yan? Oh, kasi hapon na, 'di ba? 15% off din. Tapos eto nga guys, yung nakita ko na Coca-Cola frozen. Ano to? Jelly? Jerry. Jelly? Jari. Nga, jari daw. Weird. This is so weird. They are getting weirder. Ayan Jelly na Coca-Cola. Masarap kaya to? I don't know. So like I said, gagawa na naman ako ng binignit today because hindi ako satisfied the last time na kulangan ako. So here are my ingredients as usual: coconut milk and kamote and saging. And then this tapioca, ready na tapioca. This is much, yung pinakita ko sa inyo kahapon, much cheaper compared with the other one. And this is not frozen. So, ayan. So, yung caldero is ready, and also that malagkit rice is cooking. So ayan, I'm just going to pour everything here, not pour. Basta lulutuin ko lang sila lahat dito. And then may natira pa akong saging na saba. Hello friends, good morning and welcome to today. So last night or yesterday, hindi ko na natapos ang aking vlog kasi nanood kami ng movie ni Rocky and I totally forgot about it. So, tatapusin na lang natin today. And today is Sunday, by the way. And still, I think, nag-declare na ng state of emergency yung buong Japan. So, that's why yung mga tindahan is maagang nagsasarado. And yung, like I show you yesterday, yung pachinko na kapitbahay namin, wala din, hindi na open. Yung mga unnecessary na mga establishments hindi na nag-o-open kasi nag-declare na ng state of emergency yung buong Japan. So ayun, we were wondering yesterday, diba, bakit walang mga tao, hindi nag-open. So yun pala yun, we totally forgot because kasi slow sila masyado, they are super slow. So today is Sunday and we need to go to the post office kasi hanggang 12 lang yung post office pag Sunday. Dito pala sa Japan, merong bukas yung Saturday, Sunday ng post office, unlike sa atin na during the weekend sarado talaga. So on Sunday it's going to be half day, and then ayun, naluto na din ang aking binignit and I'm excited to eat that, but pagbalik na lang namin kasi baka hindi na kami aabot ng post office kasi it is already 10:25 in the morning, so we need to hustle. And so see you later, alligator. So nandito, nag-stop kami dito sa Family Mart to get some foodie and to pay bills. So kumain muna kami kasi it's already 11 na, sweet, no? We're so hungry. We haven't, mag-12 na, hindi pa kami nag-breakfast. So, ito yung akin yung favorite ko na tortilla, ham, and cheese. I don't know kung anong nangyayari, pero konti lang yung mga tinda na kape, no? Usually, boss na lang, tapos wala nang iba. Tapos yung favorite ko is yung Georgia. Kasi pag boss, nagpapapalpitate ako. So, ayoko ng boss na coffee. But, I don't know what happened with Georgia. I don't know. Kasi, sabi ng namin, yung hapon sa work, kasi pag may positive daw na isa sa company nyo, for the meantime, magko-close kayo. I don't know if that happened to Georgia kasi wala talagang Georgia na coffee na sa convenient. Any convenience store na pinupuntahan namin wala. So, I don't know for sure. Yeah, I really like the taste. Kasi yung boss masyadong matamis. Ito is just the right bitterness, you know, bitterness. And the right sweetness.
Yeah, right.
Bakit ka may comment lagi?
Why not coconut?
Coconut. So, nakauwi na kami because I need to change outfit. Kasi ang init nung sinuot ko kanina. Yung ano pang winter na ano, yung anong tawag niyan? Yung jogging pants. And then yung upper ko, di ba? Nakita nyo naman yung sweater talaga. So, ang init. Tapos this is so hard. Tanggalin muna natin yung mask. Naka sweater tapos naka warmer ako sa loob kasi I thought yung umaga kasi parang ang lamig-lamig sa feeling. Mahirap mag-transition from cold to ano kasi parang feeling ko lagi akong nilalamig. So I've changed my outfit tapos ano na yung jeans na yung sinuot ko para ano naman feel mas comfortable kasi ang init especially pag nasa loob na ng ano sasakyan guys, grabe ang init-init kasi walang hangin. So we are going to go out again. It's still pretty early, it's still 1:40 in the afternoon still, so may time pa kami mag ano ni Rocky pero hindi naman kami gagala guys kasi bawal yung maggala-gala. Parang ano lang, pupunta lang kami sa store to buy something. So we're just going to go there sa 2nd Street. It is ayaw mag-zoom. Let's change yan. Reuse shop or recycle shop. Diyan, let's go. So I change outfit. Ayan, makikita niyo guys kasi it's so bright and sunny today. So I'm gonna go inside now. Bawal yung camera sa loob. So see you later. For the first time in forever. Ang init. Ang ganda ng panahon guys. Today is 22 degrees. Nasa labas pa ako ng 2nd Street. Hinihintay ko lang si Ruki kasi nag-toilet pa si Ruki. It is such a beautiful day today. Oh my god. May araw. Tapos malamig yung hangin. I really like it. So ayan na. Si Ruki. Lalabas na siya. So let's buy some drink bro. Nakay Senseo. I wanted to get drink kasi dito sa vending machine. Okay. So I'm gonna get this one. There's my drink. Mitsuya cider. Wow, nandito pala yung mga tao. Nandito din si Rocky. Ang daming tao dito guys. Oh, tingnan nyo. Sa Tajimi kami. Ayan. Diba? Ang dami. Punta kami dito sa Gio. So, since sarado na yung mga pachinko, kasi bawal nandito naman sila. Bibili ng mga stuff. Hi guys, so nandito ako sa Shimamura. This is the 3rd store na pinuntahan namin kasi I am looking for a whitening and wala akong magustuhan. Yeah, nung una. So dito hopefully maging okay na, mura lang din, 100 lang. So yan yung i-fit natin. I got 3 pairs kasi iba-ibang sizes. And there's me. Hi. So I think I found the one. Ito. I think it's fine. Yan, okay lang din dito sa pet kasi usually ito talaga yung problem part ko. Tapos ito. Kasi malaki yung ito. And then I wanted something a little high-waisted to hide the mommy tummy. Yeah, to hide the mommy. Dami. So, okay lang to. And this is only, yan, 900 yen. So, ito na lang. 67 yung una kong trinay. Ito, medyo malaki. So, this is 64. Ayan. Perfect. Yeah, perfect. Perfect! So, I'm just going to do another update on the real situation here in Japan regarding Corona V. So, ngayon is April 19, 2020, and yeah, the government, yung minention ko kaninang umaga, that the government already implemented the state of emergency nationwide. So, covered na yung buong Japan. And there was yung merong update regarding sa yung help ng government towards the people here in Japan, regardless if you are a foreigner or not, still you will receive some financial help galing sa government ng Japan. So I think it was posted or confirmed last week or by the mid-week last week Wednesday, or totally forgot na they will be giving 100,000 yen to each person dito sa Japan, mapa foreigner or mapa Japanese people. So yan, confirm na. At first it was 300,000 yen or 30 lapad, but now it's down to 100,000 yen or 10 lapad o yeah. It's confirmed. So I don't know yet what is the process on how to get your money, but I will be, I think may pinost kasi na link yung kakilala ko na sa Facebook niya, that I will have that link on the description box in case na kailangan nyo, kasi baka nandito kayo sa Japan, so maybe you will need a guide on how to apply for that government financial help from the government regarding the situation that we are having right now. So it's kind of hard still kasi ngayon sa sitwasyon ngayon, because everyday pa din pumupunta pa din kami ng work. It makes me worry still. I feel anxious still kasi nga maliit lang yung company namin, and then maliit yung area, tapos siksikan kahit anong yung may mga precautions naman na measures na ginagawa, like wearing mask and then taking your temperature before going to work, but still yung time ng lunch time, di ba, hindi naman nagmamask, and you will not really know which person has the virus already, because sometimes a particular person is asymptomatic, so that person even doesn't know na infected pala siya o hindi. So that's one thing that is really scary right now. I wanted sana na mag-quarantine talaga, like not going to work, to really help to stop the spread of the virus. So that is, everybody was wishing or is wishing that will happen here sa Japan, but I think that would be impossible. Yeah, so yeah, that's an update. So everybody is going to receive 100,000 yen here, regardless if you are a Japanese citizen or a foreigner living here in Japan. I don't know with of course hindi included yung mga yung TNT, yung walang mga visa. Of course you need to have visa to apply and to acquire the financial support from the government. So I think that will be our update lang regarding the situation here in Japan on coronavirus. So mga friendship, I think that's it for today's video. It's pretty early. It's still like 5:45 in the afternoon, but I need to sign out now kasi magpa-plancha pa ako ng aming uniform, and yeah, I need to get ready because I wanted to do some editing, I guess. Yeah, editing, final editing, and Ayun. So, I don't know, I was planning to film a video, but I guess it's already late. I don't know if I still have energy. So, that's it for today, for this week, guys. I hope you enjoyed watching today or this week's video. And always remember to be nice, be kind, and keep that smile. And thank you always for watching. And I hope to see you on the next one. Bye.